Boredom. 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 Eh? Who's there, we? I swear, if it's Mr. Cleaner Guy again with another Hello everyone, it's me, Ozzy the Ozzylot here, back again with the most epic unboxing ever for me. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm really excited about this, but this is a new vintage Mario plush I just bought. And I brought these two here because this is going to be something great. I'm also joined by Danman36. Say hello.
Howdy everyone. How's everyone doing? And it's from eBay, I can see. I usually get a lot of things from eBay, but I wonder what you got from eBay.
I don't know, but oh wait, I forgot something. Hold up. Almost forgot my Kellytoy Mario here. We're going to set him right there, all nice. And now to open the box.
Let's see what's in the box.
I'll use this pin. And there's Metroplex down in the corner over there. Being Metroplex, doing his thing.
I am Metroplex. I sound more like Optimus Prime for some reason.
He's sitting in the corner. Standing there. Metroplex, you're not in the army.
I'm not in the army, you're right.
Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see him. Oh, I can't wait to see him. Dan has... You... Dan has no idea who this is, so...
I have no idea what it is.
Oh, look at him. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Wait, I have to get it. Oh.
Wait a minute, is that a button?
Oh my gosh, look at him. He's here.
It's him.
Wow. That is right. I got a Kellytoy Wario. Look at him. Dan, what do you think?
It's pretty good, but you three can call me Papa Wario.
First off, he's huge! Compared to, my old Sine Wario, he's big and fat. Look at him compared to Waluigi. I should really cover this pin up so I don't, prick myself. I just pricked myself. Stupid pin, go over there. But, okay. He's as big as Waluigi. That's crazy. There's his tag. It's in... Is that better condition than, Mario's tag? It's a little darker. It looks like it has... Here's my Kellytoy Mario compared to Kellytoy. Oh my gosh. Mario's an ant here. This Wario's... And second off, butt. It's a Wario with a butt. It's perfect. So Dan, how much do you think I spent on this Wario in total? Because we all know this thing is a little expensive, right?
30?
60. Yep. He wasn't a cheap boy, but look at him. He's big. And the question is, will I use him in videos, or will he just stand around like Kellytoy Mario?
I suggest I should be in a video.
This is going to be the new Wario I use. Shocking, isn't it? He's fresh and clean, and I have that Wario. That Wario is going to be the stunt double. This is going to be the main Wario now because... Look at him. Wah! Wario! Cha-cha-cha! Wario! I just love Wario, and this Wario I've wanted for years, and look at him. He's perfect.
And he's really good. He's in really good condition, I must
Yeah,
say.
and he's very well stuffed. So if you ever get a Kellytoy Wario, I recommend it because he's pretty good. Unless it's one of those smaller sizes because they always mess up on his face. But this is epic. And with Wario added to the collection, I have 3 vintage Mario plushes between Kellytoy Mario, that's Mario, Kellytoy Wario, and the 1987 Talking Mario, who doesn't talk anymore.
Mamma mia, I just talked. Yahoo!
You sound a lot better for your age. You're like over 30 years old. You think you would sound like... But no, you sound good. Wow. I smell garlic. Garlic! And a big thanks to DanMan36 for helping with the video. Say say bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thank you. And have a nice day. Now, I smell the garlic.